Hi, welcome to the multi-channel service delivery demo. PowerCo aims to provide a seamless experience to all of its customers. It wants its customers to be able to access the PowerCo application from their mobile devices and conveniently research and resolve any issues that they may have. PowerCo wants to increase the productivity of its service reps and its technicians by providing them with a consistent, accurate, and the most up-to-date information, regardless of who is handling the issue. Alright, so let's dive into the demo. This is basically the home screen for the mobile app that a customer can use to perform basic self-service operations, such as he can search for potential fixes for the problems that he's facing. He can go ahead and create an incident for the issue if he wants to, or he can also track the issues and get notified with alerts depending on the status of the incident. So a customer of PowerCo has just noticed a problem with his pump. It isn't working and it's clogging out the drains. So he launches the PowerCo app on his smartphone to diagnose and troubleshoot the issue. The PowerCo app is built using the MAF 2.0 framework, which is a hybrid mobile framework to rapidly build apps for both the iOS and the Android platform. The customer can then search through a list of categories and items in order to troubleshoot the issue himself. All the articles are populated here using the knowledge base self-service feature from the Oracle Service Cloud application. The knowledge base is a key feature of Oracle Service Cloud, and it's used to improve the self-service success rate of the customers. The data can be easily categorized and optimized with keywords and phrases to provide a highly customized view of the application. And when he's unable to resolve the issue, he attempts to create an incident. Create incident swipes the main screen out again for the customer to create an incident in the backend Oracle Service Cloud application. And this prompts the login screen where the customer enters his credentials, his username and password, which gets authenticated by the Oracle Access Manager with mobile and social, which verifies him and issues an OAuth token. And then he provides a brief description of the incident. He can also scan the item using the device's barcode or QR code reader, which auto-populates the pump's ID into the incident details. The customer can then verify the location by looking at the map. The incident location is auto-populated based on the GPS coordinates of the mobile device. It pulls this out from the Google Maps API, which is used to display the map using the GPS lat-long coordinates. So the mobile channel really plays out to its strength here, and some of the device features such as the camera and the GPS is used in order to automatically update some of the fields in the incident. And once all the incident details have been entered, the customer can review it, and he can click on that check mark on the top right corner in order to create an incident in the Oracle Service Cloud application. The next channel that we're going to look at is the desktop channel. The agent of PowerCo can log into the Web Center portal application at the PowerCo Support Center. The Web Center portal application is secured by the Oracle Access Manager. So the agent goes ahead and enters the username and password and logs in. The agent is automatically notified of any newly created incident. She can review the open incidents, filter the incidents based on the statuses. She can also look at the details of the incident, its description, status, and location. She can create a service request and assign the service request to a technician in order to go ahead and investigate the issue further. So at this point, a service request is created in the JD Edwards application. The incident in the Oracle Service Cloud application and the service request in the JD Edwards application integrate seamlessly across a single composite UI that the Web Center portal provides. The agent here is not asked to re-authenticate herself as she moves from the incident-based Oracle Service Cloud application to creating a service request in the JD Edwards application. So she goes ahead and assigns this to a technician. So notice that when the agent assigns the work order to a technician in order to go ahead and troubleshoot the issue, the status of the needle changes from request pending to work assigned. Once the service request has been created and it's been assigned to the technician, the agent can scroll down and then view to verify if it exists. So we saw how a customer was able to launch the PowerCo application on a smartphone and file an incident based on an issue that he was facing. We also saw how the agent was able to log into the Web Center portal-based desktop application, review the incidents that have been filed, and also assign them to a technician. The technician of PowerCo uses his tablet application in order to log in and review all the service requests that have been assigned to him by the agent of PowerCo. You will notice that the tablet application's UI is consistent with the UI of the customer's smartphone and the agent's desktop portal application. Logs in. When he's prompted for the credentials, he enters the username and password, and he's authenticated using the Oracle Access Manager mobile and social. So when he logs into the MAF app in his tablet, he can view the list of service requests that have been assigned to him by the agent. He can download the incidents locally by clicking on the download all button on the top right corner in order to work in the offline mode if necessary. He can also view specific details of the incident, such as the incident's description, the status, the location, and so on. And this information essentially is surfaced from the backend Oracle Service Cloud application. He can also add relevant notes to the incident and communicate them to the agent. He goes on location if it's necessary, and when he's ready to start working on the issue, he changes the status. And this is automatically updated in the right now Oracle Service Cloud application, which in turn pushes out a notification to the agent's desktop application and also the customer's mobile phone application automatically. The Oracle Service Bus mediates between the applications in order to update the status across all the respective channels. And when he's done working with the incident, he updates the status to stop working. And again, this would reflect as a status change to the customer through a push notification on his mobile phone. And the agent also gets notified that the work has been completed. The customer can log into his mobile application and track the incident. And when he goes to the tracking screen, he can look at the current status of the incident that he has filed. And he can see that it's been updated to work complete. So this concludes the demo. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to the contacts listed on your screen.